Assalamu alaikum. My English book 4, Standard 4th, Subject English, Unit 2, 2.8, A Team of Workers, on page number 25. Point 1. Listen carefully and read with me. गौर से सुनिए और मेरे साथ साथ पढ़िए। प्यारे बच्चों, अपनी अंग्रेजी की दरसी किताब का सफ़ा नंबर 25 निकालिए। इस सफ़े पर दिया गया सबक 2.8 अ टीम ऑफ वर्कर्स मैं पढ़ूंगी, आपको मेरे साथ साथ पढ़ना है। All body parts stand together holding hands. All said, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Mouth said, hands, come forward and tell us what you do. Hands said, we lift, we hold, we carry, we give and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't do. Mouth said, Fit, come forward and tell us what you do. Fit said, we walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Mouth said, eyes, ears, nose, what about you? Eyes said, we open, we close, we read, we blink, we see things far and near. Ears said, and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Nose said, I breathe day and night, I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about your mouth? Mouth said, oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink. I sip, I slurp, I chew, I bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. All, that's right. The belly doesn't do any work. Belly said, that's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. I said, Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Hand said, the only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet said, you don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All said, we won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Bailey said, don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. All said, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive.